episode of KashHeroes. Today I will show you one important and interesting experiment. Guys, have you observed how phone lock opens as soon as you touch with your finger? There must be something in your finger, right? Yes, what you have guessed is correct. That is fingerprint. Now let's see what are fingerprints and how we can see it. Fingerprints are curves and lines at the fingertips. When you touch things, our fingerprints will stick onto that thing. For example, when we touch a glass, our fingerprints will stick onto the glass because our hand produces sweat and oil. This will make the fingerprint to stick on the things we touched. Let's see in the video how we can see our own fingerprints. Now let's see how to make your own fingerprint. You need a pencil with the cap is off right now, and make sure it is not a color pencil, otherwise it won't work for this experiment. And take some transparent tape. Make sure it is not color tape because it will never ever work for this experiment. And take some scissors and draw a triangle and some paper, white paper, and make a triangle, rectangle, not triangle, otherwise it will not work for this experiment. And then I am using my thumb, put your finger which you have chosen onto that dark spot, and then take some tape and cut it, and then face the sticky side up, and then put your finger onto the sticky side of the tape and stick it onto the paper. This is my thumb fingerprint. See this? This is how the fingerprint looks like. Right there. You see that shiny spot? Facts about fingerprints. Fingerprints will never ever be the same. Fingerprints are hard to find on clothes because clothes absorbs sweat and oil from our hand. Fingerprints are used to identify the person. Fingerprints are used as smart keys like smartphone to unlock and for door locks. This is a person unlocking the door. The technology she is using is called biometric. This is how you unlock your phone, and this is also another example for biometric technology. Experiments are awesome, guys. Please comment me after you tried. Bye now. I'll catch you next time.